Hey there, back again with another quick review, this time on this wiring for outdoor landscaping, lighting that is, at least in our case. Put in lighting in our landscaping here last springish, so it's been about a year. This wire has more than foot the bill. Just made it through an extreme winter here in Ohio, so really like it. I have zero complaints about it. It's a nice thick outer shell on that sucker. So, I mean, we've been landscaping here last couple weeks, in and out of flower beds and landscaping. And I know this is getting stepped on through the gravel. We have gravel in our beds, so it's holding up really well. The lights have stayed lit, so I know there's been no issues with current going through, which means there's no breaks in the line or anything like that. So it's made to be split right down the middle. As you can see, you can split it down and then strip it. Got plenty of room to work with to make your connections for your lighting or whatever the case may be. Transformers, in my case, to stick up in there. So it is a braided, stranded wire, I should say. So it's easy to braid, no issues there. It's a little bit softer, so it's not super stiff, which makes it nice. So yeah, if you're looking for something new, maybe you're doing the same type project I was about this time last year, would highly recommend this stuff. Again, zero issues, and it's holding up to the test of time. So would highly recommend. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.